realized that I haven't made a video in a while. So today, I will be vacuuming my basement. Enjoy. And you thought I was only doing one room. Hello, this is Corey, creator of the Sketchables. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, and please subscribe down below. It helps. Check out our latest videos because they're awesome. By the way, it's summertime, so I'm lazy, so I might not be posting that many videos this summer. But we have a few planned, so stay tuned. That's all I gotta say.
How did this stupid camera get here anyways?